Who's over there? Oh, you got tired legs. Keep falling. You run away? Oh.
You want to walk your puppy?
Your puppy's Loki. She's coming to get him. Wait. You gonna walk Loki? Boop.
He would be proud to have you walk him.
Yeah, because you're such a good walker. You bit it and tried to take it away from her. Loki's trying to walk with you. You get up? Muscle up.